Hello students, today we will solve some examples based on locus. In locus, we have determined that equation of locus can be obtained by using 4 steps. In first step, we will take any point P x dash y dash of the required locus. In second step, we will write the geometrical condition in the form of equation. Then in third, we will simplify the equation, and the last one, write generalization or equation of locus in general form. Okay, these are the 4 steps that we follow while solving examples on locus. Let us see one example. If point A is minus 5, 2 and point B is 4, 1, then find the equation of locus of points P which is equidistant from A and B. Okay, we will follow these 4 steps. We will initially take any point P x dash y dash of the required locus. So we will write let P x dash y dash be any point of the required locus. Then in second step, write the geometrical condition in the form of equation. Here the condition is given that this P is equidistant from A and B. P is equidistant from A and B. It means, therefore, or here, by given condition, PA is equal to PB. As point P is equidistant from A and B, so PA is equal to PB. By using distance formula, we can write this PA as under root PA means P is x dash y dash, A is minus 5, 2. So we get x dash minus of minus 5, that is plus 5 bracket square, plus y dash minus 2 bracket square, and is equal to PB. PB is nothing but the under root x dash B. B is 4, 1. So x dash minus 4 and y dash minus 1 bracket square plus y dash minus 1 bracket square. Now here we have square roots to both sides, so squaring both sides, we get x dash plus 5 bracket square plus y dash minus 2 bracket square is equal to x dash minus 4 bracket square plus y dash minus 1 bracket square. Now let us simplify this so that we get x square x dash square plus 10x dash plus 25 plus y dash square minus 4 y dash plus 4, and this is equal to x dash square minus 8x dash plus 16 plus square of this is y dash square minus 2y dash plus 1. Here x dash square and y dash square are on opposite sides, so they get cancelled with each other. Now remains here 10x dash, here is minus 8x dash. Taking this to the left, we get 10 plus 8, that is 18x dash. Here is minus 4y dash. If you take this to the left, becomes plus 2y dash. Hence we get minus 2y dash. Here is 25 plus 4, that is 29, and 29 minus 17, that is 12, equal to 0. So cancelling 2 from each term of LHS, we get 9x dash minus y dash plus 6 equal to 0. So this is the simplified form of equation. Just what to do in the last step, we have to generalize this equation, because this is the equation satisfied by point x dash y dash, x dash y dash. This equation is x dash y dash. We require the locus of all points. So let x dash equal to x and y dash equal to y. We get 9x minus y plus 6 equal to 0, and this is the equation of locus. So we get this equation as the equation of locus. So these are the steps that we have to follow, and using that steps we get this required equation of locus. Let us see one more example. Example number 2. If a2 0 and b0 3 are 2 points find the equation of locus of P such that AP is equal to twice BP. In previous example we have taken AP equal to BP. Now we are taking this multiple 2. That is the change in this example. So what is the first step? Let us take P x dash y dash. It is not compulsory to take x dash y dash. You can take x y instead of this x dash y dash also. Let us take in the second example. Without x dash y dash, we will solve this equation. So that no need to write that last step of generalization. Directly we will take any point. We will take p x y be any point of the required locus. Therefore, by given condition, what is condition? AP is equal to twice DB. In previous example, we have used distance formula in the form of root. Now to avoid that root, we can take here squares of both sides. So we get AP square is equal to 4 times BP square. So AP square means without root, we can write distance formula as AP square. P is this. You can write points A, that is 2, 0, and point B as 0, 3. So this AP, that is distance AP, is nothing but distance P also. So x minus 2 bracket square plus y minus 0 bracket square. This is by LHS. Now RHS, in RHS you have to find the distance BP, its square. B is this and P is this. So distance BP is x minus 0 bracket square plus y minus 3 bracket square. So this is the given condition in this algebraic equation form. Let us simplify this now. Here after simplification we get here x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square, because this y minus 0 is y, its square is directly y square. Here 4 times means 4 in bracket, this is x square only, because x minus 0 is x. This gives us y square minus 6y plus 9. Here is x square, but here is not single x square, it is 4 times x square. So we can't cancel now this x square and y square as we have cancelled in previous example. Here we get x square, taking this 4x square to the left side, we get x square minus 4x square is, okay, let us write that x square minus 3x square, then y square, and again this minus 4y square, so here is also minus 4x square, so plus y square minus 4y square, this is minus 4x, there is no any x term, here is no any y term, but here is y term, that is minus 24y, taking to the left it becomes positive, that is plus 24y, constant is 4, here constant is 36, it is plus 36, so it becomes minus 36, so plus 4 minus 36 equal to 0. Here x square and minus 4x square, it will give us minus 3x square, then y square minus 4y square is minus 3y square, minus 4x as it is, plus 24 as it is, this becomes minus 32 equal to 0. So this condition is simplified. In last step we will change the signs of each term, so we get 3x square plus 3y square plus 4x minus 24y plus 32 equal to 0, and this is the required equation of locus. In previous example we get equation in having terms of x, y and constant only. So in the first example that equation is of line, but this is equation of circle, because we have x square, y square, x and y terms. Observing these terms we can conclude or we can identify the locus. This is equation of circle, or this is nothing but the circle. Let us see one more example. Example number 3. If A is 4, 1 and B is 5, 4, these 2 points are given, A and B. Then find the equation of the locus of P. Equation of locus of P means points P such that PA square is equal to 3PB square. I think this example is very much similar to this. The change of only or difference is in between these two numbers. Constant is this constant 2 is changed by constant 3. So we get the similar condition here. Two different points are taken here instead of A and B. These two A and B are given, and instead of 2 only, here 3 is changed. So we get the similar condition using the same method of simplification. We will get equation of locus like this. Okay. So this will be third example. Let us take fourth one. If 2, 4 and if A is 2, 4 and B is 5, 8, these 2 points are given, find the locus of P such that PA square minus PB square is equal to 13. Let us find the equation of locus as per given condition. For that, we will follow the same steps again, those 4 steps. In first step, let Pxy be any point of required locus. Then by the given condition, condition is PA square minus PB square equal to 13. We can write PA square. P is xy, A is 2, 4. So PA square is x minus 2 bracket square plus y minus 4 bracket square. This is first part. Minus second PB square, PB, that is x minus 5 bracket square plus y minus 8 bracket square, and that is equal to 30. So just simplify this. We get here x square minus 4x plus 4. Opening this bracket, we get y square minus 8y plus 16 minus in bracket. This is x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square minus 16y plus 8 square, that is 64, and is equal to 13. Just apply negative sign on each term here. We get x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 minus x square. This becomes minus minus plus 10x minus 25 minus y square plus 16y minus 64 and minus 13 equal to 0. Taking this 13 to the left, we get this large equation. If you observe this equation, then in this equation this x square and this x square get cancelled because one is positive, one is negative. Here y square and this y square are in opposite signs, that's why they get cancelled. And this is minus 4x, this is plus 10x. So minus 4x plus 10x minus 8y plus 16y, and remaining are constant, that is 4, 16, minus 25, minus 64 and minus 30. So we get here minus 4x plus 10x, that is plus 6x, minus 8y plus 16y, that is plus 6y, plus 4 plus 16, that is 20. 20 minus 25 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 64 minus 69, and minus 69 minus 13, that is 82, minus 82 equal to 0. Okay, and it is equal to 0. Cancelling 2 from each number, we get each term, we get 3x plus 3y minus 41 equal to 0. So this is the simplified condition, and this simplified condition is nothing but the locus of P. So you can write here, this is the equation of locus of P. If you observe, this equation contains x term, y term and constant. So this is the equation of line. So the locus which satisfies this condition is nothing but a straight line. Okay, let us see one more example. Example number 5. Example number 5. If A is 1, 6 and B is 3, 5, then find the locus of P, locus of point P, such that segment AB subtends right angle at P. This is the question. Okay, so let us start with first step. Let Pxy be any point of the required locus therefore by given condition we can write angle APB is equal to 90 degree. Let us see the figure for this. Here is segment AB. Suppose A is given 0.16 and point B is given as 35, and P is the locus of point P, so it may be anywhere. Let us take this P as xy. So this segment AB subtending angle, right angle at this point. This angle is right angle. If this angle is right angle, we can say that this segment PA is perpendicular to segment PB. Means this line PA and line PB are perpendicular lines. So from this we can write that line PA is perpendicular to line PB. Line PA is perpendicular to line PB. As these two lines are perpendicular, we know that if two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slopes is -1. Means slope of PA into slope of PB is equal to -1. Okay, we are using the concept of slope here. So what is slope of PA? Slope of PA is nothing but again the difference between y coordinates upon difference between x coordinate. Let us take difference between y coordinates as y minus 6. So slope of PA becomes y minus 6 upon x minus 1 into what is slope of PB? In the same way, y minus 5 upon x minus 3, and this is equal to -1. So just simplify this. This is the multiplication of y minus 6 and y minus 5. It is y square minus 6y minus 5y plus 30 whole divided by the multiplication of these two is x square minus x minus 3x plus 3 and is equal to -1. So taking this to the right, it becomes each term negative. So we get here y square minus 6y minus 5y plus 30 equal to, multiplying each term this by -1, we get minus x square plus x plus 3x minus 3. Taking each term to the left and simplifying, x square becomes positive here. This y square is already positive. Taking this x plus 3x is nothing but 4x, and this 4x becomes here negative 4x. This is minus 11y. It is already to the left, so it is minus 11y. This is plus 30. Taking this 3 to the left becomes plus 30 equal to 0. So this is the simplified condition or equation of locus. So we can say that this is the equation of Hilbert locus. Again, if you observe, this equation contains terms of x square, y square, x term, y term and constant. As like in previous example, we get the same terms, and if we get such terms, then that locus will be circle. Obviously, we have learned that segment means this is diameter. This diameter subtends right angle at any point of the circle or semicircle. So obviously, this locus of P is nothing but this P may be here everywhere. So we get the locus of such P's is nothing but the equation of circle. These are some examples we have taken or we have learned, which are based on the concept of locus. Okay, thank you.